What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be comparing the Bama tune to your stock tune of the Mustangs. Now these tunes, I don't know, we don't know what they changed. They don't really tell you what they changed, you know. To me, it's just shift points. Now, I don't know if they add timing, I don't know if they add, fuel, I don't know what they do actually within the actual tuning. So they gotta be very conservative so they don't blow your engine. So what are they changing? Are they changing the fuel? Are they changing the spark? Are they just changing the shift points in the car? And that's what we're about to find out. So right now we're actually about to go outside to go get the Bama tune off the car, download it to computer, and then we're gonna take the two tunes and compare the two. All right, guys, so we got the thing plugged in here. Right now I'm just waiting for the editor to actually kick in, and this computer is very slow, so it's gonna take a minute or two for me. It'll be seconds for you guys. All right, so we finally got it loaded up. Now what we gotta do is you gotta read the vehicle. Vehicle is on. So right now we're gonna hit read. This may take a while, that's one thing. This computer is slow. But it's going for this little bar that's not green yet to go all the way across the green. Alright, so we got the tune loading into the computer. All I have to do after this is just literally send to my email to give it to my other computer so that we can actually compare the stock tune to the Bama tune we have on the car right now. And we're gonna find out what does make a Bama tune so special, if there is anything special fully. And also, listen, if this video does good, I'm going to make a video on like what's the difference between the 93 octane tune, I think it was like 89 or 91 octane tune, and then the regular octane tune is a regular octane tune, I guess. But we're gonna see we'll do a video on determining what's the difference between the three tunes you get from Bama tuners. If this video does good, if it doesn't do good, then maybe I won't make it priority. But if it does do good, give a good amount of likes, we'll definitely do this video again. Alright, guys, so listen, here's some bad news. I'm about to show you guys exactly what's going on with the computer here. So where we left off was we're on the VCM editor here, and we were trying to download the files from the car. The issue with that is Bama actually locks you out of the computer, sadly. So we are sadly not gonna be able to figure out what is changed in the computer because they actually locked us out. What I did was I took the files and I gave it to HP Tuner, say, hey, why is this not working? Why is it not blah, blah, all the codes and stuff, and gave them like a diagnostic thing. And they said basically what it comes down to is Mr. Bama right here, Mr. Bama locks us out, and we have no idea what the changes are and basically what it does at all. And it kind of sucks, because I really want to know. I really want to know if it was transmission change, fueling change, spark change, I really wanted to know, but apparently they lock you out of it and you can't check it out. So sadly, it's not like it's gonna be exciting a video as we were hoping, but we'll at least now know why there really is no information on what Bama actually does to your cars, because they lock the computer and don't tell you what they do. So listen, if you guys want to see more tuning videos, hit a like on this video, comment down below what you want to see be done tuned. Frank, this car, Roddy, the Tahoe, or whatever you guys want to see, you want to be tuned, just comment down below what you would want to be seen. Like this, oh my god, I was like all messed up. Leave a like on this video if you enjoyed it. Comment down below what you want to be seen tuned. Subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys next one. Do whatever takes to follow your dreams. Don't let one get in your way. And I'll see you guys next one.